Welcome back to Travel Vibe, your go-to channel for all things travel and adventure. Today, we have a real treat for you. We're going to take you on a journey to discover a dreamy wild camping spot that will leave you in awe. So, let's dive in. Imagine waking up to the gentle sounds of nature, surrounded by breathtaking beauty. Our dreamy wild camping spot is nestled in the heart of, where nature's wonders unfold before your eyes. This hidden gem offers a truly immersive experience in the great outdoors. It's the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, allowing you to reconnect with nature and recharge your soul. Setting up camp here is an absolute joy. With ample space and a backdrop of towering trees, you can pitch your tent and create your own cozy sanctuary in this serene wilderness. One of the highlights of wild camping is cooking and enjoying a delicious meal in the heart of nature. Imagine the aroma of freshly brewed coffee and the sizzling sound of a hearty breakfast on a cool morning. It's a culinary experience like no other. Exploring the area is a must. Lace up your hiking boots and venture into the wilderness. Follow the winding trails that lead to hidden waterfalls, tranquil lakes, and breathtaking viewpoints. Each step you take reveals a new surprise and fills your heart with awe. As the sun sets and paints the sky with vibrant hues, the magic of this wild camping spot truly comes alive. Gather around the campfire, roast marshmallows, and share stories with fellow adventurers. And when the night falls, prepare to be mesmerized by a canopy of twinkling stars that seem within arm's reach. So, if you're craving an escape into nature, far away from the noise and distractions of everyday life, this dreamy wild camping spot is waiting to embrace you. It's a place where tranquility meets adventure, and memories are made. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and keep the travel vibes alive.